Hey guys, I'm Dawson and I've been working at Mint Tiny House Company for over 5 years now. I started as an apprentice and now I'm a finishing carpenter. Today, I'm going to be showing you how we build our staircases. It all starts when our drafting team creates a plan for the stairs. I take that file and I convert it to tell the CNC what it needs to do. Next, we load on our material. At Mint, we like to minimize our waste, so any of the waste material is used to produce other items that we use in our builds. Once the cutting is complete, the stairs are loaded onto a cart, ready for assembly. Before we install it, we next need to make our stair treads. Again, I program the CNC, load on the material, and let it do its work while I assemble and install the stairs. After I install the stairs, it is painted and I come back later to install the treads and all of the finishing touches. And that's it! If you want to see more videos about Mint Tiny House Company and the tiny homes that we build, click the subscribe button, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.